Today, March 8th, is International Women's Day. It's a global day celebrating women's equality and the political, economic and social achievements of women. To commemorate this day, we're asking a few of our inspirational grey matter women what it means to them to be a woman in the technology industry.
To me, being a woman means understanding the struggle that came before, but knowing that struggle means that I can see myself not only as a woman, but as a person. In this society, I believe anyone can be whoever they want to be, regardless of what gender they are, man or woman. Otherwise, our society is not going to be able to grow.
So what does International Women's Day mean to me? I guess it is a recognition and a celebration of women that have come before us and have paved the way, and for lots of different things, human rights, gender pay, and it's also, I think, recognising that there's still people out there, women out there particularly, who are still struggling in different societies, and to keep the flag flying, really.
Based on my own experience in being a mother of 3 children, and my first child being born when I was 15 years of age, I would say that you need to really grasp the opportunities while you can. And based on my career here at Grey Matter, when I first started in this industry, I was one of only a few females that actually worked in this company, and was dominated by many males. Now we're a company of 120 staff here, and now I can say that we are equal in female and male. So I would say that you really need to grasp it. If you want to work in a IT industry, then you really need to take the opportunity whilst you can. Don't think that you can't do this job. You need to really think that I can do this and go for it.
So International Women's Day means the chance to celebrate all the great achievements that women have done in various industries. It also gives us the chance to acknowledge that women are equals to men in various industries and workplaces, and that we are capable of doing the same things as men, whether that be in IT, in manufacturing, education, healthcare, and I think you name it.
So my idol in the workplace is my mother. She was a power suit wearing, shoulder padded 80s workwoman who had all the time in the office working and just having to run that place and be really trusted as an international translator. But even after a full work day, she came home and she had time for us at home with the family. And I really admire her being able to do both.
So my advice to a woman in technology, or looking to go into a woman in technology, would be, if you're drawn to it, do it. Keep in mind and try and learn something new every day. Be kind, rational and objective. Take the high road when things get tough. Speak up if you think you're not being heard, and try not to worry about being a woman too much, but rather try to be the best person you can be and only compare yourself to yourself.
Women in IT, I think there needs to be a lot more emphasis on colleges, schools and universities, helping young ladies understand that there are lots of career opportunities within the IT industry. We've got 44% of our colleagues that work here are women, and that is bucking the trend really as far as the IT industry is concerned. What I would say to women, young ladies thinking about a career in IT, is that absolutely go for it, just go for it.
More than 500,000 highly skilled workers will be needed to fill digital roles by 2022. That's 3 times the number of UK computer science graduates that we currently have from the past 10 years, and only 5% of those have been female. We want to change that. So, in partnership with Microsoft, we are hosting a free Data Science Bootcamp in Exeter on the 2nd of May 2019, aimed at giving women the opportunity to develop the digital skills you need to become a data scientist. Anyone can get involved. You don't need to have any experience in the technology sector, just a desire to pursue a rewarding and creative career. You can find more information on our website or get in touch with us for a chat.